I told you to.
Who sleeps perfectly straight up like this? Pero what do you mean?
Is that an elephant? Oh my god. Papa, shit, di ma immigration mà đi à? Dạ là. Where? Are they sailing? Oh yeah. So the Ilka 4 Master Fleet is coming back from their race. So what we normally do is you have this big stretch of sand, right? But it's so hard to pull boats through. So we have these mats to like, what's it called? Reduce friction or whatever. And it makes it easier to pull it on the sand. So we're gonna wait for them to come back. And then we need to put them on those trolleys over there. And then we have to drag them all the way up. Really? Why? All right. What is it? Oh, the fire extinguishing? That's cool. No, where's your bag?
My bag? I think it's inside. It ends with 44. It's there.
Right, follow me. This hurts?
I think.
So my friend was de-rigging her boat, and then what we do is we have a bag where we put our rudder, our extension, our dagger board, our ropes, all in one bag, and I was just helping her find it until I couldn't find it. So I asked her where it was, and she says right there. So I wasted like 10 minutes looking for that stupid bag, and it was right there.
Yeah.
What's R2 looking at you? What are you? Why are you looking at Lightning?
哎呀，你憋你啊，妹妹。OK 嗎？You're having too much fun, right? Thank you, 야? 미다스 내라. 메이 페이지 말해 거 봐. 호 따로 호배 차만 되냐? 뭐 그 엔딩에 커피 따오냐? 아, 오케이. Chỉ lại.
Ở đây. Alo mình, alo.
Oh yeah, do you know?
Yeah. You got it, right? You got it.
It's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the salon!
Yabi, Dilala Yabi.
နှာခေါင်းအောင်လဲ
Kalola. Leben Lola.
go go
ဒါထားလိုက်တာ Buff
Go, go.
Buff ရတာဟိုတက်ရှူကြတယ်မကြိုက်ဘူးလိုပါ Leben မှာတခြား sunscreen လိမ့်ပြီးပြီဒီလိုမျိုးဆိုရင် okay ပါမယ် Upwind
upwind
and then
reaching
reaching and then
and then
downwind
downwind
and then
and then
gate and then upwind. Is this finishing?
upwind downwind
Oh, okay.
upwind downwind 3
Three. Oh, wait, that's right. Start, reach, downwind, and then you gate, and then one, two, finishing. Or is it three finishing?
1 2 and then finish
Finish at Mali. This is other people. You finish here. So two and then finishing. Maybe BBO them. And BBO be like. Okay, so just to clarify a few things. Firstly, my boat is the one that starts with red 16. The line is the yellow buoy and the orange flag,
and you guys can like kind of see that I am severely over the line, and I didn't know I was over the line until like they blew the air horns. So you can hear 2 air horns that come out, which means that somebody is over the line. If nobody is over the line, it's only 1 air horn. But if people are over the line, it's 2 air horns. So I heard 2 air horns and I was like, okay, I need to come back. So I just came back into the line and went out again. So on the second race, my boat was like over the line again, but just before the air horns blew, I came back in, and everyone in the video was saying that I crossed the line, but someone who was like videotaping the line said that my head was like 5 inches away from the line, so I didn't cross the line technically. It was another boat that you can see later in the clip that came in. I don't have much to say for this one. I liked it and I went out with a lot of speed, but this is the race I got second in, so my starting could have been a bit better, I think, because I went same time with the other guy, the guy with the blank sail. Yeah, right there. So he was like ahead of me at starting, and I think that's what led to me getting second on that race.
Is it logged in? What's that blue in the photo?
Huh?
What's that blue?
Huh? I agree. You're too heavy. No.
Should I diet?
Oh, no. How old are you?
I'm like turning 50.
Maybe wait after your exams. Like big exams. Hot pink is a bold color.
No, hot pink straps. I like
I don't know. Actually, don't do what you want. You don't need my approval. I need a life jacket. Right now, so. Huh?
6, 7. 6, 7.
You're not funny. Oh, they're packing their things. This is business. Let me up. I'm so not let me do. Call them me do it.